Okay guys, it is that time. It is fall. It is pumpkin time. I am going to be reviewing some pumpkin cookies. White chocolate pumpkin cookie. I have not tried it. They've gotten me into it, so I figured I better do a review. This is Aldi's, from Aldi's. They do have the twice as nice guarantee. On the back it says, item replaced, money refunded. There is a guarantee there. It looks like there was 12 servings, a half a cookie each. Who eats half a cookie? I don't know. 140 calories, 6 grams of fat, 70 milligrams of sodium, 12 grams of sugar. So these are white chocolate pumpkin cookies. I'm excited to try. I love fall. I like pumpkin stuff. I went on and did half a cookie, and what I did was, this half is just the way it comes, and then this half I microwaved it for a few seconds. So I'm gonna try just the way it comes first. It's really good. It's soft. I didn't get the white chocolate chunks yet in that bite, so let me try again. It's good. I don't really think it needs the white chocolate chunk, you know. I would have been just happy with the pumpkin, but it's good. Okay, let's try it heated. I think this is gonna be better. It's way better heated. It gives you straight from the oven pumpkin pie vibes. It's so good. I definitely would recommend heating it up versus just eating it from here. It's good either way, but it's just totally elevated if you just take those few seconds to nuke it in the microwave. But yeah, I definitely would recommend I go with a 8 without like heating it up, and a definite 9 just heating it up for that few seconds. I would recommend it. I won't be needing that twice as nice guarantee, but hey, if you don't know if you're a pumpkin fan, go on and try it. There is a twice as nice guarantee there. If you don't like it, you have nothing to lose. So that's just my opinion. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your support. It really means the world to me, and I hope everybody has a great night or day, whatever time you're watching. Have a wonderful one. Bye.